This video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to ChatGPT payment plan. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to subscribe to any of the plans on ChatGPT is pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account, and here I'm on my home page. To upgrade, go ahead and just tap on upgrade to go, or you can come down here and just next to your account you should see an option to upgrade. Here you will see we have various plans here ranging from free plan to pro plan. Go ahead and choose your preferred plan. For my case, I'll go ahead and choose the plus plan. Here you are supposed now to choose your payment method, and currently you can either pay using Visa card or MasterCard. Now here, go ahead and enter your Visa card number, enter the expiry date or expiration date that is on your card, and then the security code that is at the back of your card, which usually is a 3-digit code. Then you'll have to enter your name, your country, and your address line to make the purchase. Now to complete the purchase, go ahead and check. So this will apply for a personal plan. However, if you are doing it for business, go ahead and check I'm purchasing as business, and here you need to go ahead and enter your value added tax information, business name, tax type, as well as tax ID. Once you are done, now go ahead and click on subscribe. And by clicking on subscribe, an amount equivalent to $23.20 will be deducted from your account, and you will now be upgraded to the plan that you chose. So that's how you can subscribe to ChatGPT paid plan. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.